Hi all, in this video lecture we will be discussing about how to find transfer function of a DT system using Z transform. Let us consider a DT system whose difference equation is given. We need to find the transfer function or system function of the DT system. Let us consider y of n whose Z transform is given by capital Y of Z, y of n minus 1 time shifted version whose Z transform is Z raised to minus 1 y of Z by time shifting property. We will apply these properties to the difference equation given for finding the Z transform. We will apply the time shifting property to find the Z transform of the given difference equation. Difference equation is given as given in the question. Let us consider a system whose input is x of n, and output is y of n. Z transform of x of n is represented by capital X of Z, and Z transform of y of n is represented by capital Y of Z. We know that by definition h of Z, system function, is equal to y of Z divided by x of Z. So we are taking the Z transform of the given difference equation. Y of n becomes capital Y of Z minus 3 Z inverse y of Z minus 4 into Z raised to minus 2 y of Z equals x of n Z transform capital X of Z plus 2 into Z raised to minus 1 x of Z. We need to group y of Z term. Y of Z whole into 1 minus 3 Z raised to minus 1 minus 4 Z raised to minus 2 equals 1 plus 2 Z raised to minus 1 into x of Z, grouping y of Z and x of Z term. Y of Z by x of Z. X of Z term is taken to the left side, which is equal to h of Z, the system function. Therefore, y of Z by x of Z equals 1 plus 2 Z inverse whole divided by 1 minus 3 Z inverse minus 4 Z raised to minus 2, which is the system function or transfer function of the given system. In this way, we can find the transfer function of a DT system for a given difference equation. Thank you.